Hello, all you future graphic designers out there. My name is Sister Allison Foulk, and I will be your instructor this semester for COMM 130, also known as Visual Media. This is me and my two adorable little boys, Eli and Ian. I am a BYU Idaho graduate. I studied communication with emphasis in public relations and minors in business and theater. For over 10 years, I've worked in marketing and public relations. This is me on TV in San Antonio, Texas, with some pit bulls, doing pit bull education. I've written for healthcare magazines, done photography. I have a children's book published through Deseret Book called Heart Stockings. I've written restaurant reviews, managed volunteer programs, worked with gastroenterologists and physicians, and most recently I had my own marketing consultation business. Most of my clients were nonprofits, but I had a few cool profit companies that I did marketing for that were in Hong Kong, actually, which is pretty cool. I love to travel. This is me in Iceland last summer, and I homeschool my little guys, which sometimes I feel like makes me a little bit crazy, but we have a lot of fun. I also like to do acting. That's me on the left, looking very concerned about something. And we like to explore the great state of Arizona, which is where we live. So that's a little bit about us. This course is really a fun one. You're going to learn a lot. You're going to have a good semester. I encourage you all to use your intellectual muscles to challenge yourself, to find resources when you need them, and to reach out to me and your fellow classmates throughout the semester. It's going to be a great course. You're really going to learn a lot. This is probably the course in all my education that I've used the most and that translates to the most tangible skills you can put on a resume and you can offer any employer, any church calling, anything along those lines. You're definitely going to walk away with some really beneficial skills. So it's going to be an exciting semester. Let's get started.